Hello! In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how we will start. So, you received our link. You are in our amazing free mini course about viral architecture animations. And under the first video, you can find our link. So, here is it. Free VizMaker. Simply just click on it. You can also prompt it by yourself. So, simply vismaker.vismaker.co.uk. As you see, our website is currently under construction, but you'll find much more interesting website soon. So let's use our email, and that's all. That's all you need to receive our Viz Academy app. And let's wait a second while it's loading. You will receive your email soon. Please check also offer folders, spam folders, and other folders, and simply just click this button. So now you're in Microsoft Store, and all you need just to hit button install. Yeah, now you should click Open Microsoft Store. And now you should just click Install button here. Let's wait a second. This app is not so big and it will take you only a few seconds to download. And that's all. So you're ready to use VizMaker. So everything is very easy. Now simply just hit left mouse of the button and you're ready to go. Let's open our VizMaker and let's see how to log in. VizMaker is fully online app, so definitely you will need a stable internet connection, and it's opening our VizMaker app. So generally you can create an account in the two ways. You can use continue with Google or create your new account. Simply just put your email, password, confirm the password and receive your email with activation. Or you can use, of course, our favorite and the fastest option. For me personally, I'm using a Google login option. So I'm simply hitting Google. Then I'm selecting my account and I'm ready to use. And in a few seconds, I'll receive a code and I'm so simply coming back to VizMaker and I'm ready to use. Yeah, so your app is ready and you can follow up our next tutorial steps. See you in the next tutorial.